Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here to do an unboxing of the Luukaa collection.
Welcome lovelies. I'm distracted by this beauty next to me with the colors. Look at you.
Funny. Isn't this
Tessa,
a
you look
gorgeous?
smashing.
Oh, thank you.
And to pick up the colors in this with, what an amazing design too.
I know, I love the sleeves.
With the raglan sleeves.
Yeah. And
this is a showstopper.
This is a beautiful piece. Yeah. And we have it in one other color too, more pastel-y. I love the polka dots.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
And then I picked the Gershon Bram skirt, which is fabulous. Yeah. And we still have a few sizes left.
Really?
I'm wearing the medium actually. I think we have a medium large and extra large left. But
it feels great.
It feels amazing. But I just wanted to show you ladies that you can mix and match, all these pieces.
For sure.
Yeah. And you.
And me. Well, I love this color. I love the design of the sweater.
It's another great one.
Actually, I think it's the same design as this, you see? With the raglan sleeve.
Yeah, look how...
And the sleeve is a little short. Anyway,
yeah,
it's
gorgeous.
Great. And I'm wearing the step pants from Up.
Beautiful. I love the step. Like it's shorter in the front and longer in the back. Really cute. And Charlie
likes them too.
Yeah. And you have some Ziska on.
And I have some Ziska on, and I found this amazing scarf.
That's the Amaryllis, I think.
The Amaryllis.
I believe so.
Wow.
The Amaryllis. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, and it goes great with this.
And a couple. I like the couple bracelets.
And the couple.
Perfect.
Yeah. So
I love matching them. Yeah.
Matchy match.
Awesome.
Gorgeous ring.
Yeah. I have the polka dot bracelet on, ladies. I love this. I feel like I could wear it with every outfit. Yeah. We also have it in black and white, and then I just picked these cuties to pick up the dots, as Luusia said. But some exciting news. I'm in a tournament, a pickleball tournament tonight.
Oh, yes.
With my friend Jono.
By the way, lovely, she's very competitive. She gets very in there. So,
well, I played pickleball with Jono in the summertime at the St. Catharines Curling Club. They have you can just come in 3 days a week and, it's kind of drop in, so you don't have to commit to it, which is nice. But then my tennis, so I just stuck with my tennis because I felt guilty. I felt guilty playing pickleball and tennis and too much. So, but anyways, Jono asked me to play in this tournament. It's for the coldest night of the year. They're doing a little fundraiser, so fun, and mixed doubles. So it's at the Meriton Community Center. There's 4 courts set up. They tape it all off. But I'll take a few pictures and show you because it's so much fun.
Coldest night of the year, by the way, is a great fundraiser for the homeless, right?
Yeah. So we're going to have a fun night. We switch partners every game. I think we play 5 games, and then I think the scores at the end. But I'll let you know how I do. I don't think I'm going to do great, but I love pickleball. It's pretty fun. No.
Without further ado.
So Luukaa is a great company. Beautiful fabrics. So we delved into some of their spring-summer collection this year. As you know, we had some fall-winter last year. But I'm going to start with this piece first. I just picked it out first, but I think you're going to love this. So a beautiful spring jacket.
Oh my God.
Spring, fall, you could really wear it. So it's a little oversized, but it's going to fall so beautiful.
Oh, Tessa, it's
gorgeous.
Yes.
And look at the inside.
Oh my God.
Isn't that fun?
Oh,
I know.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Gorgeous. We'll have to put that on. That's going to be stunning on.
Oh yeah. Look at all the details.
And all the detail pockets.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Beautiful. And I believe there's 2 sizes in this. Small, medium, and a large, extra large.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. So there we go. Beautiful fabric.
I would like to style this.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's got my name on it.
So out of that scrumptious European fabric, we also have the cutest little vest.
Oh, adorable.
With the chartreuse showing inside again. Gorgeous little piece.
Let me see the back. Oh, yeah. Oh, cute little pockets here at the bottom.
Yeah.
Love
Beautiful.
To play with the different fabrics.
Yeah,
right?
So nice.
Oh, great.
And I believe, yes. So I ordered this piece to go underneath it, and we got it in black and white. But it is a beautiful fabric in this basic sort of A-line
tunic.
Dress tunic.
Yeah.
But you can wear the vest over it. You can layer it many different ways.
Wow.
Pockets in here, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, gorgeous
totally,
pockets. So I'm going to have a lot of fun styling that up. So beautiful. This is a great basic piece that you could have in your wardrobe all year. And ladies, this is that beautiful European sort of t-shirty fabric with spandex.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
It's like a bamboo viscose.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Got some weight
Nice
to it.
oversized, but it's going to hang nice.
Yeah.
And we can layer it up beautifully.
Nice little cap sleeve.
Nice
Beautiful.
little cap sleeve to cover your arms.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. And a few pieces left here.
Oh.
The cutest. We love our stripes.
Oh, lovely. Cutest
Cutest little
top.
tunic.
Oh, yeah.
Gorgeous with the chartreuse splatter here.
Oh, love.
Look at that. Yeah.
Look at the hem.
Yeah.
Very innovative designs, always.
Yeah,
from
so
them,
we can
right?
pair that up with our
Yeah.
pants. You could wear it with your step hem pants,
Yeah,
actually.
for
That would
sure.
be great.
Oh, yeah.
But beautiful
With chartreuse
design.
earrings and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the line does come in as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch online. We're going to have size charts there. Some of the pieces are a bit oversized, so you can maybe jump down a size, but we'll guide you on that. And as always, if you have any questions, please let us know. Most cutest little tank. Look at this.
Get out.
Yeah, this is a cotton. It's 100%
Oh.
cotton.
Crisp cotton.
Crisp cotton.
From
It's got
Europe.
the big hemline on the
just love
bottom. This is going to
it.
drape so beautifully.
Love it.
Yeah,
Little
gorgeous.
slits on the side.
I know, I love it. And look, a little hook and eye there at
Oh,
the
yeah.
top with
And
the
I
little.
bet you this is beautiful. The
Beautiful.
neckline
It's
and
gonna-
the
yeah,
arms.
full.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Yeah,
Oh.
so cute.
Adorable.
I know. Actually, these up pants will be great with these pieces.
Oh.
The black and the white. And then here is another beauty color.
Oh,
Look at that color.
Love, love, love.
Beautiful basic
Love,
little
love.
tank.
Adorable.
100% cotton. Made in Turkey, ladies. So beautiful European fabric.
You know, we have a lot of black basic that this could go with.
Yeah, that's why I thought it was the cutest little top. And then here is the piece de resistance. Are you ready?
What is this?
No, this
for
is going to be
gorgeousness?
gorgeous. Look at this, ladies.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
goodness. Stunner.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
Tessa.
I know.
Oh.
It's going to be beautiful. And it's got pockets, I believe. Yeah, this line is really great for that. Known for pockets.
Yeah, always
so
pockets.
fitted here, ladies, and then it's going to come out.
Oh,
It's going to
my.
drape so beautifully. 100% cotton here. This is the bamboo viscose on top.
Oh, I can't wait to see
You love
that
it?
on.
Imagine with the little jackets that we have. Gorgeous. Well, there you go. The Luukaa
The
collection.
Luukaa collection. Oh,
Some new
Adorable.
gems to add in. We
Fantastic.
cherry picked the line and picked our favorite pieces.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's exciting. So watch out tomorrow for the style video.
Okay, lovelies. Hope you are excited. And you're going to pour your coffee tomorrow morning and look at Tessa, who is going to style these beautiful pieces. I can't wait to see you in these.
I know the dress.
The dress, everything.
Beautiful.
Everything.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can reach our content to more beautiful women like you.
And as always, keep on smiling.